Welcome! If you're looking to clean up your Telegram sticker collection and want to delete a sticker set just for yourself, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily remove any sticker set from your Telegram app without affecting anyone else's experience. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You can use any chat for this process. It doesn't matter if it's a group chat or a private conversation. Once you're in a chat, look at the message box at the bottom of your screen. You'll see an emoji icon, usually a smiley face. Tap on that emoji icon to open the sticker and emoji panel. Now you'll see all your available sticker sets displayed in this panel. Find the sticker set you want to remove and tap directly on its photo or icon. This will bring up more details about that particular sticker set. Next, look for the Edit option, tap on it to enter edit mode for your sticker sets. In edit mode, you'll notice 3 dots, usually in the corner of the sticker sets section. Tap on those 3 dots to open a small menu with more options. From this menu, select Delete. Telegram will then ask you to confirm your choice. To finish, tap on Remove from Me. This step ensures that the sticker set is deleted only from your own Telegram account. The sticker set will remain available for other users, but it will no longer appear in your collection or take up space in your sticker panel. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted a sticker set from your Telegram app just for yourself. This quick process helps keep your sticker panel organized, so you only see the packs you truly enjoy and use regularly. If you ever want to add new sticker sets, you can do so at any time from the same panel. Thanks for following along. Enjoy your refreshed Telegram experience.